Afternoon, YouTubers. Hello to you guys out there and gals out there in Tassie, and obviously Oz, and hello to the family in Melbourne. Right, so just getting on with a couple of bits on here because it's a beautiful day. Well, it's not too bad. So I have difficult to do, so I just want to give you a quick catch up. I've replaced the gasket on the transfer box. So I've ripped that off and done all of that, sorted all that, tidied all that, give that a quick coat of paint. So that's all good there. I've taken off the parking brake assembly. That's a new seal in there. I've taken the old one out, which is over there on the floor. Can't be bothered to go over and grab it. There's a bolt over there and all. Just eyeballed that. I'm not sure where that's from. So yeah, so I've put a new seal in there. That's all been knocked in. That's all good. It's empty anyway, obviously, because I changed the seal. That don't look good on there. Why is that pin sticking out like that? Maybe that's how that's meant to be. Oh yeah, they're bent. Okay, so I've done that. That's all off. I was going to put these on and start building up the axle. Now that all that's all done, obviously as you can see, I've given this another further coat. Looking really nice now. Nice and tidy. The axle's all been rebuilt and it's all nice and done. Yeah, so I was going to put those on. Now, why didn't I put those on? I didn't put those on because I haven't cleaned up the bolts. That's the reason why I didn't put those on. I knew there was a reason. So I have stripped this down. There's a drum. Cleaned all that up. That's all good in there. Just needs a coat now. I've just literally stripped this down, taken the circlip out, removed that plate. I'm going to strip this down. And I'm just cleaning this up now. So basically you knock this off. This is a bit of a tight fit really. You obviously tap it off and then tap it on. And I assume it sits over there as a dust, and then this is on before that and holds this plate on there. So because then once they're in like that, they then go through, and then when you put the circlip on, it stops them from coming out. Sorry, I didn't realise I had the camera in. So basically, yeah, so that will, just bear with. Okay, so that goes on there, and as you see there's the ring round there. If you've never done these, that's just got to be knocked down a bit more, and then that will go in there, and that stops these from coming out, which is how you can do them up. So, and of course that one there, stop them ones from coming out when they're in. So the whole thing just links together just on the circlip that holds everything in place. So as you can see, they're a little bit worse for wear. This is a bit worse for wear. So I thought to strip it down and give it a clean. And why not? So that's what I'm doing. And I've just started that, and then I'll give it a coat of something. And then we'll build this back up. And then obviously I'll strip the rest of it down and put it all that back up. So giving all this a clean, tidying this up. Also wired that off, got the rest of this to now give another coat. I'll recoat these and give these a tidy up. There's a little bit to do down there, it's proving difficult to get into, but I'm sure I'll manage. So yeah, so that's just wishing this weather would completely changed. But it'd be nice to get these on. But I think I'm having discussions with the guys about the cylinders they sent me. They're different to the ones they said I should have on the back, because I've got 11-inch on the front, dual line, and they've sent me single line Delphi cylinders, which I think have got a slightly smaller bore. So the ones I should have, I think, are the slightly bigger ones. There's different code if you've got 11-inch dual line, but we'll see. I don't want to fit them, obviously, and then, you know, I shouldn't have done. So, but that's where we're at today. Yeah, so just a quickie, just to show that. Paint man delivered me some paint, which is good because I was running out. And yeah, and that's it. We're just going to crack on and get into that point now. Hopefully we can get the rest of this done. The brakes, the brake lines I've got to sort, and then we can put them on. I'm going to replace that valve. I've got a new one to go on there. It'll probably clean up okay, but I might as well just put a new one on while I'm waiting. Yeah, that's where we're at today, people. So we will catch up again soon. So that's it. So we will catch you on the next one. Don't forget, like, please, if you like it. If you don't, then obviously you are not going to. Subscribe, or subscribe if you could, because obviously that helps the channel. More people get to see it because it comes up in more searches. And make a comment. I've had a few comments, so yeah, you guys out there and gals, if you've got something to say, then hit me with it. I try and reply to everybody, so yeah, don't get that many, but I get a few. So yeah, have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next one.